Hello everyone, my name is Anish Sharma and you are watching Kubernetes web series. In this video, I will show you how we can upgrade our Kubernetes cluster. When we talk about upgrading Kubernetes cluster, it does not mean to upgrade the operating system. In Kubernetes cluster, we need to upgrade Kubernetes core components such as kubeadm, kubelet, and kubectl. These components are in master nodes as well as on worker nodes. Rule of thumb is that to start the upgrade with master node, which means control plane. High level view of upgrading Kubernetes cluster. First, we will upgrade the kubeadm package, and this we will going to install the kubeadm package and then execute the kubeadm upgrade plan. This command output will show the current version and new version available for us. Needless to say, I will show you in the lab section. Then we will upgrade the node by executing the command kubeadm upgrade apply. For upgrading the kubectl and kubelet, first we need to drain the node. It means remove the pods from the node. Kubernetes will create a new pod on another node automatically. You don't need to worry about this. Then we need to upgrade the kubelet and kubectl. After that, we need to restart the kubelet services. These are the two commands. In the last, we will execute undrain the node command, that is kubectl uncordon and then node name. It means that now Kubernetes scheduler can create a new pod on this node. So let's understand the three core components of Kubernetes, that is kubeadm, kubelet and kubectl. Kubeadm. If you go to my GitHub page and then expand Kubernetes in a folder or directory, after that you will observe master node file. If you open this file, you will observe that we first install these three packages: kubelet, kubeadm and kubectl. Kubeadm is a tool that provides kubeadm init command for creating Kubernetes cluster and kubeadm join to join the worker node to the master node. Right. When we create the Kubernetes cluster, kubeadm command perform the validation such as minimum 2 GB RAM, swap off, and at least 2 CPU. This is the reason before executing kube init command, we first execute swap off minus a command. In last, I can say that you now know why we are upgrading kubeadm tool in the first phase. Now, what is kubelet? Kubelet is a agent which run on each worker nodes. When we attach the worker node with master node, this kubelet will help us. The kubelet is responsible for managing the deployment of pods to Kubernetes nodes. How many resources a pod is required, it will get it from the node. In last, it receives command from the API server and instruct the container runtime to start or stop containers as needed. It means that kubelet is the core component. And last is kubectl. The Kubernetes command line tool kubectl allow you to run commands against Kubernetes cluster. You can use kubectl to deploy application, inspect, manage the applications or resources and view logs. This is the reason when we are going to upgrade the Kubernetes cluster, these three packages we are going to upgrade. Now this is our high level view. Now you understand why we are upgrading kubeadm, and now kubelet and kubectl is the command package. Let's suppose if you are in version 1.23, 1 is major and 23 is minor version, and dot 123 whatever, it's a patch number. Let's suppose we have here 1.23. We can upgrade the API server to 1.24, Scheduler is same and controller manager is also we can upgrade to the same version. However, for kubelet and kubeproxy, we can upgrade to next version that is 1.25. It can be supportable. And then we need to upgrade the 1.25, and in the end we will going to upgrade the kubectl at the end. I hope you like this animation. In short, we can say that kubectl should be executed or upgraded at the end of the our upgrade plan. Let's go to our lab section. In order to proceed the lab, let's go directly to the kubernetes.webpage.io webpage here. Click on documentation. After that, search kubeadm upgrade. Click on the first link, or maybe you can open on another tab. Right now my version is 1.25, so I'm going from 125 to 126. I can go only one step up. This is what I have shown you and on my PPT, that you can go only one step upgrade. And right now I'm in 1.25, so I have to upgrade to 1.26 only. However, kubelet or kubeproxy, you can go one step earlier. If you scroll down, now here you will observe two tabs. One is for Ubuntu and one is for CentOS. My OS is CentOS, so I am clicking here. Yum list. Let me copy this command here and paste it over here. It will show all the lists available for Kubernetes. Let me go with this version 1.26.0.0. Find the latest version 1.26 in the list, it says, and for 126 it is here. For upgrading the Kubernetes ADM upgrade, first on control pane, this is what it is mentioned. And again, we have two tabs. So I'm clicked here on CentOS and copy this command. After that, modify the value. I can go with this latest version. This is what it mentioned. Control L. Now we can check the Kubernetes version. Now kubeadm version. My major version is 1 and minor is 26. If I execute this command, kubeadm upgrade plan, it will show me the current and the next version. From the output of kubeadm upgrade plan, I will observe that my current version is 1.25.4 and my target is 125.16. If I scroll down, I can use this command here, 25, and also I can use this one, 26.11, but I installed 26.9 only. Thus, I will use here 9 instead of 11, and this is the output. Here it is asking me, are you sure you want to proceed? I say yes. Why? Now it is pulling the image, and if your internet is good and your flow is good, there is no firewall issue, then it can download the image from the repository. From the output, we get to know that it is successful. Your control plane is upgraded. Please proceed with upgrading your kubelets if you haven't already done so far. Let me clear the window. We scroll down. This is what we have done, and you will observe this message. This is what it's saying. For other control plane, if we have second master server, then we need to use kubeadm upgrade node name instead of apply. For upgrading the kubelet and kubectl, first we need to drain the node. And for this, first my node name. The command is kubectl get nodes. Node name is this one. Now kubectl drain and node name hyphen ignore daemon. Let me copy this command and paste it over here. Node to drain, and here I mentioned master1.example.com. It says it drained. Now click on CentOS here and install the version that I want to use here. Again, I'm using 9, 9-0. Hit the enter button. Now it is completed successfully. Now my kubelet is upgraded and kubectl is also upgraded to version 1.26.9. After that, I need to restart these services. Let me copy both command in a single step here and right click. Now uncordon the node and then master1.example.com. We can check the status kubectl get nodes. Now my master node is upgraded. How can I check the version? It is showing here 1.26.9. Now I need to repeat all these steps on worker node 1 and worker node 2. As per the documentation of Kubernetes, it says upgrade worker node. For Linux, you need to follow this one. Open on another tab, scroll down and click on CentOS. This one. I need to use this command. For this, first I need to log in into my worker node 1 and 2. I have already logged in into my worker node 1 and worker node 2. Let me copy this command and paste it over here and here. It is 0 and this is my 9. Same thing I need to. Both are completed. For worker node, this upgrade the local kubelet configuration. Copy this command and paste it over here. It says can look at the configuration file and it is upgraded very fast. Now it's time to upgrade the kubelet and kubectl. First I need to drain the nodes. Not drain the nodes, it means remove the pods. In order to drain the nodes, I need to execute this command on master node because kubectl command is available on master node. Let me copy this command here and this is my master node. Let me check kubectl get nodes and now paste this command here. It is drained and same thing I need to do it for worker node 2. If I follow the documentation of Kubernetes, I need to click on CentOS here and upgrade kubectl and kube this one. This yum command I need to execute on worker nodes, not on master nodes. This is what you need to remember, which command you need to execute and where. Now I have modified the command here. Hit the enter button and hit the enter button here. Now both are completed successfully. kubectl and kubelet both are upgraded to 1.26.9-0. Let me clear the window for both the nodes. Now I need to restart the daemon of reload. When I executed this command kubectl get node, I have observed at 1.25.4. Here we have already upgraded the kube ADM, but still it is showing 1.25.4. Let me restart the service here and then I'm going to execute again here this command. Now it should show me a new version. Now you can observe that 1.26.9. Here scheduling is disabled. It means that I need to uncordon command I need to execute. And this uncordon command I need to execute on master node. This is what it is mentioned in the documentation of Kubernetes. Worker node 1 and press tab, and same thing I need to apply here first too. Let's re-verify. It is the taint is removed and version is 1.26.9. Now here we have upgraded the node of Kubernetes master and to worker node. In exam, it will ask you to upgrade only worker node. I believe that. But yes, this is the steps. And in exam, you can use Kubernetes.io web page, and the same thing you need to follow these steps. No need to worry about anything. You can also check the OS by using etc Red Hat release CentOS 9. If you like this video, please like, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the new videos. Thank you guys. Bye bye.